I don't think the smile went off her face from the beginning to the end. And I think that's what art does. It makes you happy and it gives you happiness and the people watching, and it was an absolute pleasure to watch her.
And it was so beautiful, the entire thing. And I could even see the commitment and the dedication which Deepa has put in today for this girl to, can't even believe that it's her first performance.
Throughout her performance, I was in the present, watching her, observing her. So I think that's a good thing. I felt she's in the right path.
da da